Yeah, so the storm is over, well, for the most part, and we have electricity. So we're doing the next best thing, which is to make a pot of porridge. Some of our neighbors and friends don't have no electricity, so we'll make a little porridge. And who wants some can get some. We'll make some cornmeal with oats and banana and Seamoss. Yeah, cornmeal, oats, banana, Seamoss, porridge. Yeah, with little cinnamon and little style and style and style. Don't baby, and style can't spoil. Yeah, see? All the storm people, them jump and shock out for a while. I mean, blackout.
Blackout.
Yeah. So, guys, we're thankful to God for sparing our lives through this storm. 4 people in our county lost their lives due to tornadoes, but we are still here. So, porridge of a run.